Good night. To answer the first question, I would like to know Germany. The next question is, what cultures would you like to know? My answer is, I would like to know the Russian culture. Next question, do you like mountain gear with your bike? And the answer is yes, I like the mountain wear. Next question, right now you can auditor of what? The answer is I am an internal control auditor. Next question, in which companies would you like to know as bank auditor and financier? The answer is I would like to work in Bancolombia. Thank you. Good night.